You'll need a crochet hook and matching knitting needles for this cast on. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Place the needle on the left and the hook on the right. Wrap the yarn from back to front around both. Pull through the slip knot to cast on, yarn over and pull through again to cast on another stitch. Keep repeating, yarn over and pull through to cast on stitches. Keep casting on stitches until you have one less than your pattern calls for. On that last one, pull out the hook and slip that loop onto the needle for your very last stitch.